there's no need to create it as such. What I do is the reason you leave the rules in place is because the rules are targeted by a custom device property, and when you change that custom device property, what the rule will do will actually change between detect and protect mode. So there's no real reason to kind of remove any of the maintenance windows or anything like that. It depends whether you've configured it to run immediately on demand, or alternatively if you just choose to do it. Now, typically I just choose immediately and reboot the system during the next scheduled maintenance window. You will be prompted in N-Central for an EDR related reboot as such, which you can schedule as needed if it doesn't happen organically as well.